Saying goodbye to Vancouver isn't quite so hard when you discover what lies ahead. Some of the most breathtaking and varied scenery by rail anywhere in the world. There's a reason they say sea to sky, as you hug the sparkling shoreline, slowly gaining elevation to resplendent mountain peaks. As you approach Whistler, listen carefully as the marmots that gave this world-class resort its name welcome you. Made famous during the 2010 Olympics, the spirit of the Games lives on in this vibrant mountain town. Past emerald lakes, through coastal rainforests, you approach desert landscapes and the spirit of the gold rush comes back to life. Next, snake your way through the Fraser Canyon. Here in the mid-1800s, over 10,000 miners and untold hangers-on populated its towns. As you wind through stunning canyons, take time to admire the view as you enjoy our world-class cuisine. Ever heard of a mountain so high it has its own weather system at the summit? Welcome to Mount Robson. At 3,954 meters, it's the highest peak in the Canadian Rockies. And finally, Journey's End, the historic town of Jasper, populated by friendly people and countless elk. From rainforest to gold rush, a transformation in beauty, and maybe yourself.